Many professionals who successfully navigate high-stakes environments and complex logical problems find their competence vanishes in their romantic lives. The same analytical skills used to build careers often fail to resolve recurring relationship conflicts. As shown in this illustration of the science of love and logic, these baffling loops originate in biological wiring. These are physiological responses to intimacy that bypass the logical centers of the brain. Society frequently suggests that needing a partner for emotional stability indicates a lack of inner strength. This perspective frames dependency as a personal failure rather than a biological reality. This chart explains the dependency paradox. Having a secure emotional anchor provides the specific psychological safety required for the green arrow, the freedom to explore. When the brain has a reliable base of support, it can focus resources on risk-taking and external independence. Effective independence relies on an emotional operating system that functions reliably. Without a secure connection, the system remains in a state of high alert, making it difficult to operate effectively in the outside world. Most individuals operate according to one of these three subconscious blueprints for intimacy. Identifying these styles provides the data needed to understand how a person will react to the pressures of closeness. The anxious style, detailed here, functions like a hypersensitive alarm system for rejection. This thermometer illustrates a state where the individual remains hypervigilant to social cues, often interpreting the physiological state of anxiety as a sign of love. This shield graphic represents the avoidant style. For these individuals, closeness triggers a subconscious distancing mechanism. When intimacy feels like a loss of independence, the system hits the brakes to avoid enmeshment. This secure style, seen in this bridge diagram, is characterized by consistency. These individuals communicate directly and naturally diffuse conflict because they are comfortable with intimacy and view a partner's well-being as connected to their own. This matrix compares the three styles across different operational categories. While the secure style enjoys closeness and engages directly with conflict, the anxious style craves closeness and uses protest behaviors, and the avoidant style evades closeness and deactivates during conflict. Mapping these three profiles creates the framework to diagnose why specific relationship dynamics fail to thrive. This infinity loop illustrates the anxious-avoidant trap. When an anxious partner seeks closeness, it triggers the avoidant partner to withdraw. This distancing causes the anxious partner to pursue harder, which only reinforces the avoidant person's need for space. The left side details protest behavior, subconscious tactics like keeping score or acting hostile to force a partner's attention. The right side shows deactivating strategies. Triggered by protests, the avoidant person shuts down, creating distance by keeping secrets or checking out mentally. These cycles are the result of two biological defense systems continuously triggering each other. This mechanical clash often continues even when both partners have a strong desire for the relationship to succeed. Avoiding incompatible partners requires recognizing early behavioral patterns, like inconsistent communication or belittling your desire for closeness. Continuously ignoring your feelings is a reliable indicator of a blueprint that will struggle to provide true security. This flowchart demonstrates how direct communication acts as a diagnostic filter. Expressing a clear need forces a response that reveals a partner's capacity for security. A secure response leads to closeness, while a defensive response indicates it may be time to walk away. Shifting from protest behaviors to secure communication requires stating your needs directly. Instead of acting cold or playing games, a secure script involves making a vulnerable statement of fact about exactly how their sudden absence impacts you emotionally. As shown in this four-quadrant diagram, secure conflict resolution focuses on the specific problem without attacking character. Partners stay engaged and assume good intentions to ensure the goal remains mutual well-being. The abundance philosophy, seen in this funnel, encourages filtering out mixed signals and defensiveness. By prioritizing consistent actions and availability, an individual avoids settling for partners who are unable to meet their emotional needs. These interlocking rings represent the final goal, security as an acquired skill set. By recognizing patterns and choosing emotionally available partners, it is possible to rewire the biological blueprint and transform the trajectory of a relationship.